Just if I were personal when you're going with the bombs, don't kill the charm.
I'm controlling.
Next set of rats in 5.
Stopping main control.
Focus Bella.
I'm gonna drop my control, please execute it.
Focus Bella, guys. Hold up the shield.
Libello. Engineer dead, pick up the bombs. Right side.
Last Bella.
It's at 60% Guardian, you need to take aggro.
Bomb sec left. Watch out, Shock. Watch out, Shock. Foxes and roars both sides. Let's do this shit. Good work. Give us a heal and CDs, come on.
Stun them. Daisy used leg sweep if you got it.
Pumped.
Nope.
Move with X to first.
I've moved this flag.
Move with Slack, come on. Miraz.
Miraz, move.
Yes, sorry.
Giving me a movement split.
Interrupted.
Good job.
Focus your cooldown soon. Go ham.
Good job.
Kill off fire buttons.
There's a
Fire
new
colors,
spirit guy.
guys.
Don't release it like you.
Are damaging the fire colors. No.
I'm keeping the guard.
That's good.
Watch out the debuffs.
Run out.
It's gonna blow up now. It's gonna blow up. Careful.
Primal. Maybe the primal.
Frost move to green. Nice Frosty.
Oh,
no,
we need
move
one.
to
No, back.
Square. Okay, nice.
What are we doing? Where's the
Good.
slack?
Good move in.
Kitty.
Turn up really quick. There we go.
Focus X.
Good head, that's no problem.
Where move to next position? square, move to next position.
Confuse.
Come on guys, move.
Why is the good card so far?
Trying not to get the shield on.
Maybe the prime move.
Remove the X to the primalist move as well.
Move the X closer. Move it.
Confuse, move it.
Yeah, relax.
Yeah, just saying.
He didn't shield.
Get it out there.
Good.
Help it on. It's not out.
Bit more out, or
Oh,
closer. No.
don't damage it, don't damage it.
Do not damage the cross.
I'll have to save it.
It's fine, Adam.
Nice.
Oh, the kiting, oh my god.
Hell yeah. Emoji.
Now fucking
Well,
relax.
This time we have a res.
Concept. Scale of the fire colors now and move with square to last position, guys. Scale of the fire colors.
Keep everyone alive now.
Not want the quadra buff. Skill of the fire colors. Ice fire colors. And miss.
Do 2 more fire colors up now.
You have to move the
I'll
slag.
go for the square. Slag, square, closer.
Can move further in.
She's fine. Close now.
Okay, go for it. Nuke your fucking heart out.
Monks. Push that.
Christian King. It's ready.
Nice.
Fire colors,
Good.
guys.
All the ads are on Anta now. I got blue mark over my head.
Spread out.
Fox out.
Yeah,
The
everyone.
rest are
One more guard.
Save the rest.
Do not set them. Kill of the guard and spread out. Let's spread out.
Good job.
Buffs at the back. Debuffs at the back.
Yeah, it's really important the placement of the notes now.
I'm moving to the back.
Still drinking. Nice revival.
Move further back.
Guys, come on. Move the notes
It's okay.
all the way back.
Not really, trust me.
Can we move more? Just getting short on space.
Move a bit more.
Yeah, and remember charges spread 6, guys. I see a lot of people stacking.
Kill the boss.
Stop with the boss. Stop.
Okay.
Focus your lantern.
You want to pincer push?
Not yet. Just heal.
Yeah, just call out for it.
Suppression now.
Up.
I got VG for guardian. Just
Take the boss. Take the boss and mention me.
Move a bit further. It's on the side. We need to move further.
Anthor and Guardian, I have 2 Spritlings.
When I get
Just
3
one.
stacks, so use it on 2 stacks. Then use it on...
Just using it.
Good time on Berserker, 1 minute.
We got the rest
do we have
of
a
it.
focus
Just
away?
me.
We have 2 rosters.
What's up?
2 races.
Come going on the boss. Do not lose the focus.
We
Show
have
them out,
another...
guys.
Short on space, short on
Should I
space.
move?
Yes.
Yeah, move.
You have another spirit king?
I have VG as well.
Up hero for people who got rest.
Do it. Use Vigil and Guardian.
I used it wrong. I used it wrong, Amber.
That's fine.
Is this
It'll
spirit
keep on
link there?
spread.
We're ahead, so
Yeah.
we can move a little bit more.
Watch out the debuffs, guys. Keep calm.
Healing tide is up.
Amp miss.
Come on, come on.
Fucking
And-
kill it!
Don't.
Still spread, guys.
I'm Prodron.
It's a kill, boys.
Yes, yes, yes!
Fuck yes.
Boss is alive. Guys.
Holy shit.
So fucking clean.
Three cuts.
Oh.
Oh.